Good afternoon. So, I'm going to present a case study of Pimpri-Chinchwad Municipal Corporation related to this frontier in service delivery through this e-governance for this 21st century. My organization that is established in 1982, this Mr. Ashish Sharma is our Honorable Commissioner, Yogesh Bahl is the Mayor. Area is about 181 square kilometer, about 1.7 million is the population, 1,185 crores is the annual budget. Tata Motors, Bajaj Auto, General Motors, Mercedes, these are the Detroits of India in my city. Now see this mathematical formula for this e-Suvidha. It's come under the resource mobilizations, under administrative efficiency and citizen service delivery. Now this, how the citizen service delivery moves to this enterprise dynamic by this resource mobilization and the administrative efficiency. Now this enterprise or total this enterprise moves to the side of this citizen services by the way of administrative efficiency and resource mobilization. Now not only the administrative efficiency but resource mobilization is done on the simultaneous. Now before this prevailing conditions when before this implementation of these initiatives, so there are long queues, the citizens are visited time to time in the offices, so there is not having accountability. From the administration sides, though there are long decision, not decision supports, data is too huge. This manual process, this manual activity, that takes too much time searching of the records. It's having this much times. Now the interventions comes for this citizen facing, that is citizen services related. The multiple channels are open for accepting these payments. There are more than 5 channels are there accepting payments. Then grievances in the all forms, mainly SMS based grievances, grievances by this website, grievances by this phone calls, website. There are multiple channels of the grievances. Then this citizen service delivery, that is constantly updated. One can go this online and service delivery that can check the status. Then for the licenses and approval, there is only a single window approach for the citizens. Now these are the interventions for the works awarding and management. So transparency combating bidding for process tendering. Work management and cash flow system, that is customer citizen centric and this administrative efficiency. Quality for these projects and this restructuring this account by cash flow management. Other interventions are this: for water distribution we introduce SCADA. Then schools having equipped with the KAN instruments for the schools. This door-to-door collection by NGO, local NGO Swachh. This vehicle tracking system is introduced. Online budgets published for these citizens. Then created a transfer board. Now these whole suits come under this e-Suvidha portal, and all these portal-based services you can see this by this citizen passenger center, property tax and water charges, building permissions process online, this GPRS for vehicle tracking system, on the secure online payment, dashboard system for work management, complaint grievances by SMS, and this e-tendering applications. Now here you can see this approach to the citizen, totally citizen-centric. Now this idea for this citizen services requested, so we can establish such type of this front government. Also morning there was one question raised. So there are not having penetration about these computers, not having penetration of mobiles. For that, paying their taxes, pay points are used across the city, the total of 50 pay points installed. Now see, this is a pay point. So you can see these people not net savvy, they can pay their taxes are there. If they don't having this online facility, they can pay their taxes of this. And they are having the printed the receipt with this secure hash code is generated on that. Now e-procurement was initiated in 2008. that time this rate of this bidder tenders about 30% above. You can see this 2009, this rate below 27 minus, in this 2010-11, this 33% below. Means in this, we can save in this 2009-10 159 crores, and 2009-10 10-11, that is 103 crores. So here online birth and death registrations. So everywhere this, every city is having this facility, but how it is innovated, this is digitally certified. One can pay online and take the certificates. Those who are in India, abroad, they can avail these certificates by paying these postal charges. And private hospital having the facility, log in their birth details. Now this opened the multiple channels of this grievances. As rightly I said, SMS, then web-based, mail, paper grievances. All grievances are escalated by these services, and updates are given to the citizen. Not only update, the status also communicated to the citizens, and it is escalated to this by the commissioner top priority basis. As well, we having this 18 hospitals of the municipal corporation. Health cards are introduced there, so no case paper is required for these patients. All data related data means patients related data is there on these health cards. Then for this garbage bin collection, this vehicle tracking systems and bins are there. You see the GIS based quality monitoring system for the works. Now what is the impact by giving these services? The tax collection in the first 4 months in 2009, and you can see the tax collected in this first 4 months in this 2010. It is almost 4 to 5 times doubles because of this opening these multiple channels throughout the cities. Now this work awarded in the tender management system, as I explained earlier, but we save this huge amount by this corporation because of this transparency in the corporation. The services, citizen services and the grievances handling in 2009-10, it was 59,000 almost, and 2010-11 is 1 lakh, 3 times more this. So what are the factor of this success stories done by this? Basically, this is a commitment of this top level officials of the municipal corporations. This develop this customized develop this suit our needs requirement followed in this. Then system integration to this system. This agile approach is there. Then inside the organization form the tech savvy group, those who are having technical knowledge. So this called as a core group or e-champions, and they can handle this implementation and maintenance. Lastly, this ERP or this PCMC is open source platform. It is having the multilingual support. There is Unicode support. Language you can both English as well as you can Devanagari you can use. GIS enabled this transaction totally geocoded. Digital signature and this super hash encryption facility is there. Secure online payments is there, and in the phase 2 we are, this is the UID ready phase. Thank you.